In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a split-screen video in CapCut PC. If you need to compare two different video clips or show two screen recordings side by side at the exact same time, this is one of the easiest ways to do it inside CapCut on a computer. We'll keep this simple, clean, and precise so your two clips line up properly and fill the screen in a professional-looking split-screen layout. To begin, let's set up the timeline structure. Look down at your editing lanes and drag your first video clip onto track 1. Then take your second video clip and place it on track 2, directly above the first one. This layering is important because CapCut treats the upper track as the top visual layer. Once both clips are in place, slide the clip on track 2 to the left until its starting frame snaps into alignment with the clip below it. That way, both videos begin at the same moment and play in sync. Taking a second to line this up carefully will make the final result look much smoother. Next, we'll move the top clip so it fills the right side of the screen. Click once on the video clip sitting on track 2 so it's selected, then look over to the top right Properties panel. Under the Video section, open the Basic tab and find the Position controls. You'll see an X coordinate field. Click inside that box, type 960 and press Enter. As soon as you do that, the selected clip shifts across the preview and snaps neatly into the right half of the frame. This is what creates the right side of the split screen effect. Now let's position the bottom clip on the left side. Click the clip on track 1 to select it. Go back to the same area in the top right panel under Video and then Basic, and find that same Position X field. This time type -960 and press Enter. CapCut will immediately move that clip to the left half of the canvas. With both position values applied, your two videos now sit side by side in a balanced split-screen layout. And that's it. By stacking your clips on separate tracks, aligning their start points, and adjusting the Position X values, you can create a clean side-by-side comparison in just a few moves. This is a great technique for tutorials, reactions, before and after footage, or any project where you want two visuals on screen at once. You're all set. Done.